Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to enable asking for download permissions in Outlook on your PC. This feature is part of a new update and ensures more control over automatic downloads, enhancing your security and privacy. Let's dive right in. First, open Outlook from your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the settings. Once Outlook is loaded, look at the top of your browser window. Next to the web address, you'll see an icon. It's called the View Site Information icon. Click on it. After clicking the icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Site Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize various permissions related to the website. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Automatic Downloads. By default, this setting might be set to Allow. To enable asking for permissions before downloads occur, click on it and choose Ask. This adjustment ensures that Outlook will prompt you before downloading anything automatically. And that's it. You've successfully configured Outlook to ask for download permissions. This small change can make a big difference in protecting your device from unwanted files or potential security risks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on optimizing your tech experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.